Hi guys, now in this video we are going to create one hello world program with the help of IntelliJ IDE. This IDE is very helpful for developing the applications and you don't need to set the path as I already told you in the previous video. So what we will do, we will have a IntelliJ open here. This is the latest version 2019.3.3. We will do one thing, create project, import project, open or get version from version control. Version controls are like Google Cloud and Git. So what we are doing to create new project. You don't have to do all the paths is automatically set. Click on next. You no need to select it from the template. As we create the fresh version, what we will do, hello world, and our application will start developing. It will show you some tips also that is very helpful for you, so you can close it. Now it takes quite time for the while, and then once it is there, you can see src file. So here we are going to create our Java class file. So right click, new Java class. So what exactly we are going to make? Hello world application. So when we are trying to make a hello world application, we have a public class Java. What we will do, public class, public static, because we already have a class static, void main string args. As you can see, it's automatically closing. The good programming practice is whenever you open the brace, immediately close it and write inside that, so you will never forget any braces. So it will help you out to that you should not have any kind of syntax error. So system.out.println, ln will help you to print the statement to the next line, hello world. Now what you have to do, nothing. You don't have to set path or something. Simply go to run and click on the run, and it will ask you hello world application. Just simply run it. So it takes quite time for like building the application, because it's the kind of project is being created over here. And once the project is being created, on the terminal you will be able to see the hello world application has been developed. So like this you can develop the application. This IntelliJ IDE is actually quite very helpful because it gives you the intelligence facility. Intelligence is like automatically suggesting you what you should do the next and what is the best thing for you, or if there is any syntax error, you will get the different message as well. Like if I will do this, I will get some message. As you can see here, error is showing right now. So what I'm missing, semicolon, because in Java programs every statement is closed with the semicolon. So in this video we have learned how we are going to use the IntelliJ. Now in the future classes we will see how we are going to use this IDE and learn other things like a variable and other kind of stuff into Java. See you guys in next video.